Liz, thank you for the 5 gifted. I don't know what's going on. I said I died in the game, and I died in the game, and I died in real life, dude. What the hell? Starlight Tori 1. Number 1, the Hoover fan PogChamp in 2nd. Alia Booba in 3rd. What is this name? What is this name? Tommy Innit Fan White Hardo. That's a great name. That is a great name. Not gonna lie, I wish I had that kind of name. But number 1, Hoover fan PogChamp in 2nd. Alright. Alright. Not bad. We wide. Oh, Axel, is he gonna make it? He's gonna make it? Just barely. Literally like the last person to make it. Literally one of the last people to make it. Let's see. Look how many people died. So many people died. Since, you know what? Since that one, like, it didn't really count because my stream went down, I'll do another one for everybody. Then we're doing a mod one, and then we're doing a 1v1, and then I'm off because I don't want to fucking... I don't want to keep disconnecting, and I don't want to lose my mind. But, yeah. Come on. Get in here. Exclamation mark. Play to join! I love it when I disconnect from Twitch. Everybody join! Everybody join! Exclamation mark. Play! Get in here. Be loud. Be courageous. We're starting in 10. 10 seconds. Be ready to get in here. Let's make sure I play the last second. And we're off. With me in first place. Never mind. Let's see who's gonna be first. Who do you think's gonna be first? First one down. Neezy girl. But not for long. It looks like this is gonna be a tight race. Look at me. There I am. That's me. I'm Hoover. I like to stream on Twitch, and I don't like to disconnect. But it looks like right now, this is... Oh my god, what is this? The rocks are falling down. This is actually really cool. I like this map. Rindine HQ. But no, it's not going to be... They're not first. Oh, no, never mind. Who's the first one to go down? Jimmy Fallon? Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. Number 1 Hoover fan, PogChamp, is literally smurfing right now. Number 1 Hoover fan is literally smurfing. I don't know how you're like in the top 10 every single time. Drippy C's slowly making it down these cones, but it seems right now that there's some bigger issues because these got icicles falling down, and that's not going to be good. But it seems right now that has anyone even died? Where am I? Hello? Where am I? I don't see myself. Am I dead? Did I pass? I don't know. Question mark. Look at all these familiar faces. There you are. Oh, I'm in the way back. Oh, my lord. I don't know why I'm in the back there. Yeah, actually, you're getting really comfortable in the chat. You know, it's a good thing. Naomi in first place right now. That's a great profile picture. That actually is a very good profile picture. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, one of the better ones I've seen on Twitch. Great profile picture. But instant mouse! This guy just randomly showed up in my stream. He's never... Actually, I don't even know that. Oh, whoa. It looks like... What's happening? Everyone's being held up. Does that mean the people in first place are now going to be in last? Oh my god. Look at all these people died. Axel died. R.I.P. Liz died. R.I.P. Oh yeah, Booba. Pete Marie. R.I.P. Adrena. Gone. Nobody will be posting on Hoover clips anymore. Adrena is now dead. Campesia now dead. Oh, but we got Sage. Oh, interesting photo. That's an interesting photo. No, I don't like that one. I don't like that. Why do you have that as your profile picture? I'm never going to fucking show that again. Never have that in your profile picture. That is terrifying. That's me after seeing that photo. Matt's dogging first. A familiar face that does not have a fucking weird ass profile picture. White people, Pog, please champ W. Are they gonna win? XUC, white people, Pog, please champ W. Congrats. Congrats on your win. And Jimmy Fallon, the Jimmy Fallon, is in 5th place. Look at that. Jimmy. Isn't that crazy? Jimmy Fallon's literally in this game. A 1v1. We can do predictions too. We'll do predictions, alright? 1v1. Who do you all have? Three laps. Will it be on the right side? We have Darian. I've seen Darian around. Always chatting. A good chatter, even a sub. On the left, we have, I don't know how they got it in, somebody that goes by the name of Mark Rober Titties 420. Who will come out on top? Make these bets and make them good, because this is going to be all the marbles. I have 4 channel points. Well, you could either have more or less. Let's go. Let's run it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they're off. And these marbles are off. Darian taking a clear lead right now. Look at that cute little profile picture. A little raccoon. And Mark Rober. Just Mark Rober. Right behind. But it looks like this is going to be a really close matchup. Mark Rober trying to go for the inside. Darian, though, just leading the pack right now. Listen, this is 3 laps. This is far from over. This has just started. Mark Rober trying to find the inside. Darian hitting the walls. This is not going to be looking good. Will Mark Rober be able to catch up in time? Who knows? Darian going through. They're going through the lap. And that is going to be their first lap done. Their second lap on the way. And there they go. Darian far ahead of a lead. I am offline. Hello? Hello? Refresh. I'm back. Refresh. Now, this literally goes to show that I need a fucking end stream soon. Darian literally just leading the pack right now. Leading the pack. Mark Rober Titties in behind. They are really going for this one. It's going to take a lot for Mark Rober to catch up, but it does not look like it's going to happen. This could be it, folks. It could be a Darian getaway. Who knows? Anything can happen. Anything can happen. But right now, it's not looking good. Mark Rober looking like he's going to find the inside. I've been saying this for fucking 5 minutes. But it hasn't happened. Darian, I think, has this. Darian Nation. Is this a clean giveaway? Bad map? This is a good map. I'm not doing another one after this because literally my stream's just going to crash and I'm going to cry. And also I'm kind of tired, not going to lie. And Darian crosses the finish line. Darian winning the map. Congrats, Darian. What do you have to say for yourself? Let's go. Let's go. Congrats on this big win. This camera, this camera, this camera. Tell the people what you got going on. What do you have to say, Darian? Besides, let's go. Anything? Anything to your strategy? You better hurry it up because my stream's probably going to crash again. Anything at all? You can say anything. Mark Rober? Sag. Mark Rober down bad. Lost. Darian left. Refresh it. Actually, you're welcome. Monka Giga featuring Robert Downey Jr. And that is it. Marbles is done. God, I cannot wait to move to Austin for this exact same internet. It was a good stream. Thank you all for coming out. Despite me crashing 5 million times, it was a good stream. So thank you for coming out. Thank you, Liz, for fucking all the subs that you gave. We're at 600 subs right now. Crazy. Actually insane. Raid Train. We're raiding Indy Fox. Kidding. Who do you raid? I don't know. But yeah. Thank you all for coming out. I don't know. I'll probably be back tomorrow. Hopefully my stream does not crash again. Because it's been fucking around. And, yeah. Who do you want me to raid it? Indy Fox? I don't even know if she's live. She's not even live. So, I guess I will... You know, I'm going to end with no raid. So, you know what? No raid. What is that?
Years ago, they tried to...
Hoover check DM.
Flip-flop, you're banned. I cannot check your DMs. You're still banned? Actually, is he banned for 24 hours? I don't even know. Might be up. But guys, I'll see you all later. I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow. Hope you all have a good night's rest. And I hope you all rest up. For Capitalism May, it's just begun. See you all later. And that's it. Good night. Peace!